My name is Shannon Breske, and I serve as the Study Abroad Director in the Trulaske College of Business. I am also a management faculty member. Recently, we just returned from Sydney, Australia, and I can't wait to show you this amazing footage that we took. So while on program, our students were able to connect with a vice president with Salesforce. They were able to meet with one of the Pfizer representatives and talk in depth about the vaccine rollout and what that meant within that country within Australia, but also how that helped with other countries and how they supported other entities. Another opportunity that our students received is that they went on our corporate site visit to 3M, and they were able to see the full facility, talk to a regional vice president about supply chain and distribution and the difference that they were making within that local area. So the footage that you will see has been taken by some of our students, from our student managers, and it really represents a full holistic experience for our students. So not only are they within the classroom setting, they're meeting executives, they also have the opportunity to experience a new culture. And so we were lawn bowling. You'll see some of that footage. You'll also see the cultural walk that we did from our center to Bondi Beach, where a storm rolled in, and you'll be able to experience that footage and how our students were able to navigate that. But what I love about these opportunities, these global opportunities for our students, is that they are immersed into a new experience. And you see that their ability to adapt and pivot and grow, and the openness that they have about meeting new people. And that's what I truly love about all of our study abroad programs. I hope you have enjoyed this amazing footage that we had from our Sydney, Australia study abroad program during winter intersession.
Over here we have a scribbly gum. They've not long been in that tree. They're tiny, and what they used to do is get a massive stick and ram it down into the tree. If you're made of wood. Oh my god.
What does it taste like?
Going back to US Carters. Anyone else? Oh no, it's still alive in my mouth. Oh. Alright, go.
Yeah.
Hey, there's a special technique they used to do it. They did. It's wet, and when it starts to dry, you're gonna see. It actually feels nice when you're hot. It's nice and refreshing. So if you want to have a go, you can.
I actually don't know.